Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to OoniZoni kitchen. Today, I'm making very delicious tahiri. So, to make tahiri, we need 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, some cardamom, 1.5 tablespoon cumin, 3 to 4 green chilies, 1.5 tablespoon chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 cup tomatoes, 1 cup sliced onion, half cup cooking oil, chopped ginger and half tablespoon chopped garlic, 3 to 4 potatoes, 2.5 cup rice. So let's get started. First heat up the oil. After the oil is heat up, put onion in it. Now fry onion until the golden brown color is formed. Now in this stage we add tomatoes. Now we add all spices. Now mix it and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we add potatoes. Mix it well. Now on low flame, cover it for 10 minutes. Now in this stage we add 1 cup water. And now again cover it for 5 minutes. Now we add rice. Leave it for 5 to 6 minutes. After this, cover it for 15 minutes.